left tightens. Good luck.
Welcome, race fans. Bosco Mirage. For today's edification, we are, it's my co-driver there, we are at Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. We are in a 1989 Ford,
5,
driven by
4,
Collin McRae
3,
himself in
2,
the Collin McRae Challenge.
Go.
This is
One right, very long.
the last
Opens 30.
event of the 80s. My 305 horsepower rear-wheel drive Ford.
30. 4 left, don't cut. Into 3 right.
In real life, I was
into caution, don't cut 3
27
left.
when this car came out.
Crest, 1 right tightens. Opens into turn unseen. Don't cut 1 left tightens. And 3 right. Into 2 left.
Wow.
Into 3 right.
After Finland
Opens into
and the
1
high
left
speeds
tightens.
and the big jumps, this is different.
And
Smooth dirt
turn
too,
3
no
right.
rocks. At least not
Into
yet.
turn immediate for left of a
Good
crest.
grease and it's twisty like
Opens
this,
long,
but
don't
it's
cut tightens 2. Into cut maybe
big
4
rock.
right.
This is soft.
30.
This would be fun on the dirt
Left.
bike.
Into 3 right. Opens 30. Open hairpin right. Into 3 left.
Yeah.
Into 5 right.
I'm gonna have
Into 4 left.
Work on them.
Very long. Opens 30.
to 180s and hairpins. I have a feeling there's gonna be a bunch of them on
3 right.
the next
Into 3 left.
17 miles.
Into turn 2 right.
Oh, don't spin it out!
Opens.
Woo!
Into 4
Nice
left.
recovery.
Opens very long. Tightens over crest. Into 3 right long. Don't cut. Opens. Into 2 left. Tightens, don't cut. Into 6 right. And 3 left, don't cut through narrow grid. Opens over crest. Into 6 right over crest. Into 3 left long. Tightens, don't cut. Into 6 right.
Oh, this is just absolutely
Into don't cut. 4 left.
so real and so
Into
engrossing.
5 right. 20.
You're driven stuff
4
like
left,
this, and I
into
have.
slow. 2 right.
This is
very long.
Very,
Opens
very
over crest.
realistic.
Into 4 left.
Other than being thrown,
Slow
you know,
20.
in my door
Keep right over
and
crest.
into the
Turn
passenger
unseen.
seat.
Open hairpin left.
But who knows? Full motion VR might be in the cards one day.
Right over crest.
That was a big mistake.
Into 5 left. 30.
Oh, look at the ocean!
Left long.
Sweet!
tightens.
Imagine
Into
that.
6
We're in
right.
New Zealand. They got an ocean.
And 6 left. Into 2 right tightens. Into 2
Yeah,
left
about the same
tightens.
time all this was happening, I was actually living
Into 4 right.
in
Opens
Hawaii.
over crest. Into 6 left long. Into 5 right long. Tightens 3.
Oh yeah, this is awesome, man. I like
Right over
this.
30. 6 left over
Good
crest
New
long.
Zealand. and
Tightens
go.
3, don't cut. Into 1 right. Into don't cut 3 left.
No.
20. 6 right. Into slow 1 left tightens. Into 1 right tightens.
Almost.
Opens.
A little too much speed.
60 over crest. Slow 2 left. Tightens narrow. 30.
Way
4
too
left
much
tightens.
respect for
Into
that.
5 right. Into 4 left. Into 2 right long. Opens.
Oh, this is awesome. I remember when I
Into
was
6
first
right over
learned,
crest.
back when I was
Into
probably
1 left long
16 years
tightens.
old, how to swing the rear from left to right, to left to right,
Into
to
2
left
right.
to right at will.
Opens over crest.
That right there,
4
that's
long.
a
Tightens
skill
2.
that, and learning it, you'll spin out a few times,
1 right.
but man, once you got it,
Opens
it's just
into
like
2 left.
can remember a
Into
snowy
one right
night
long.
a few years back.
Opens.
I
Into
was
four
in Memphis
left.
and I was
Very long. Tightens. Opens.
going
Don't
down the
cut.
road doing about 50 miles
Into
an
six
hour,
right,
just
don't
going
cut.
50 degrees
Into
left, 50
turn, two
degrees
left
right,
long.
50 degrees left, 50 degrees right, and I never, ever
Opens, tightens
was out of
three.
control, never once left my lane. A cop
Into three right,
came up,
tightens.
flashing lights,
Six
laughing,
left.
turned him
Six
off
right.
and kept on his way.
Into
Didn't
one
even
left,
bother me.
tightens.
He was appreciative.
Into six right.
Of course, it
Keep
could have
left into
been
one right
the
long.
wrong guy, and that wouldn't have turned out that way, but
Opens.
I think
Into
he knew
five
if I
left.
wanted to leave him, he wasn't going to follow
30.
me anyway.
Five right long. Opens of a crest.
The power of the
four
car
left.
means nothing when you're
Into
on
three
bad
right.
conditions.
Into caution.
A little
Four
bit,
left long.
but
Tightens three. Don't
more
cut through
driver.
narrow gate. Opens 30. Three left long, tightens. Into five right narrow. Two left, tightens.
Oh, look at
Into
this
six
road. Don't spin it,
four
overdid it
left.
a little bit.
Into caution. Five right long, tightens one.
Whew.
Into six left over crest. Opens, keep right over 60. Three left.
It's all about feeling that weight transfer. It's so
Into four
little
right.
in actual steering. You know, people complain, oh, the car
Left,
pushes.
very long.
If it's pushing, you're doing it wrong.
80. Two right, tightens. Opens.
Oh boy, he's in
Into
hot.
three left
Oh,
long.
not too hot after all.
Into four right, opens of a crest, into one right,
The
tightens.
graphics are just so good.
Opens, into three left, into
All right,
five
for you
right,
nerds out there,
into don't cut, four left, very long, opens,
if you're having a problem
five
playing
right of a
VR,
crest, opens long of a
on
crest
Steam,
through narrow grid,
there's now a
and
100%
keep
fix.
left of a crest, into four right, into slow, two left, tightens, don't cut.
Is that perfect or what?
Into three right of a crest.
Oh my
into
goodness.
unseen, don't cut. One left
This
long
game
tightens.
is off the hook.
Keep right of a 30. Don't cut, five left. Into don't cut, one right long.
This ain't a game.
Opens. Into two left tightens. Into one right. Opens of a crest. Into three left. And five
Don't ever
rights
do
of
it.
a crest. Opens long of a crest.
Too much release of power.
Slow, four left long. Tightens, one tightens. Into turn, one right tightens. Keep left over 40. Five right over crest. Very long
I
tightens.
got sidetracked by some really cool track there. Anyway, if you run SteamVR,
Into four left long, caution.
then you're
tightens
very
the pad.
aware that it
Into
adds a
four
lot of
right long,
overhead,
Opens of a crest.
and it
30.
has a bastardized version
left
of
tightens of a crest.
OpenXR,
Into five
which
right.
is the new proper standard for VR and
Into
mixed
three left
reality.
tightens.
And what it's done is it's made everything
Into
run
cut, six right of a crest
substantially
long.
better.
Into slow, turn
Steam doesn't
unseen,
support
open
it.
happy left, don't cut.
And so you go online, you download this
six
program
right
called
of a crest,
OpenComposite, because you've already got
Slow,
the
20,
true
don't cut,
OpenXR
open
if you got
happy
a
right.
headset. That's what they run on.
Opens. Keep right of a 30.
But what this
crest,
OpenComposite does is
three left long. Opens.
it gives you the option to load it for a single game or for all the games
Opens of
on
a
Steam.
crest.
Choose all, because I
Into
promise
three
you,
left.
I'm gonna-
Opens of a crest and jump maybe.
and you'll never see the word
Over
OpenComposite in
finish,
Steam.
60.
All it does is make a holding spot. Look at that, man, a minute up. Makes a holding, or kind of a hack, I guess. So when you choose SteamVR, it doesn't open SteamVR anymore. It just opens the game properly through the standard, and as a result, your frame rates. You know, I was already getting max as far as my headset goes. That wasn't my problem. But what it did for the steering, the force feedback, all that came to life. All the complaints I ever had in this game are gone. And I didn't have many to begin with, but now it's just, they got this new game coming out, and it's going to probably put people behind the 8-ball again with needing more power. Who knows? I did hear it's going to the Unreal Engine, but I've seen that both ways on VR. Anyway, Bosco out.